Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork Gujji only ways. Start by trimming and cutting pork into uniform pieces, then make a marinade with yogurt, garlic, ginger, chili, and a pinch of salt. Toss pork thoroughly and let it rest for the full marinade time. Heat a heavy skillet until very hot, sear pork without overcrowding, then finish on medium heat until cooked through and juicy. Make your marinade in a medium bowl and whisk yogurt, minced garlic, grated ginger, ground cumin, coriander, and chili. Add salt and a splash of oil to help spices adhere, then stir in diced pork until every piece is coated. Cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes or longer for deeper flavor, then bring to room temperature before you start cooking for even searing. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like if you want more recipes and simple cooking tips. Quick recommendation: pick up The Simple Path to Wealth as a fun, practical read that can change how you think about money and food budgeting. I found it useful for planning meals that fit a budget and lifestyle. Check the description for the link and any deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a heavy pan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of oil until shimmering. Place marinated pork in a single layer, leaving space between pieces, and don't move them until a crust forms. Flip and sear the other side, then reduce heat to finish cooking gently so the interior stays juicy. Rest the cooked pork briefly before serving to let juices redistribute and keep every bite tender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.